Hi everyone and welcome to memory recall number 11. If you this far you've probably done some of these already. I think you know the drill. Let's just crack on. You'll know by now that we're going to do an interleaving starter, and as I've mentioned in every video, they're not designed to be doing one straight after another, but leave a little bit of time, let your brain forget it, recall it, it strengthens it. That's the whole point in doing what we're doing. Facts and formula at the end, again, some the same, some different. Let's keep mixing it up. Okay, and here are your questions. So the first one is a simplified question, slightly different to ones that we've done before. And the next one, again, another nth term. This will be the last one on this type of nth term. We're going to do quadratic ones next time. Solving an equation and another straight line graph question for you to have a go at. So pause the video, answers will follow. And here are the solutions. So if we're looking to simplify this, we're going to do it one bit at a time. We're going to do the 18 divided by 3, which gives us a 6. Now the 18 and the 3, the 18's at the top, 3's at the bottom. We've got more of these at the top than the bottom, so the 6 stays at the top. R squared and R, again we've got R times R and R at the bottom. We've got one more R at the top than the bottom, so it stays at the top. And we've got s to the power of 5 at the bottom, s to the power of 3 at the top. So when we divide it, we end up with s squared underneath. Next one, we're going to use our nth term sequence to then work out the 201st number in the sequence. I've deliberately picked a big number so you're not tempted just to write it out. You're not going to have space to do that. So we need a quick way to do it. First of all, we're going to work out our nth term. So we go up in fours. So we write down 4n. How do we get from 4 to 8? We add 4. So here's my rule that I'm going to use. Then we're going to substitute the n for 201. So we've got 4 lots of 201, which is 804. Add on 4, 808. Next one, we're solving an equation. So let's get the numbers to the right and the x's on the left as ever. We've got x cubed equals 64. Cube root it, x is 4. So again, this is just understanding that there isn't a positive and negative when we are cube rooting, like there was when we were square rooting. Hopefully you didn't fall into that trap. And the last one, equation of the line that is parallel to this that goes to this point. Now you'll see to start with, again, I've tried to be a little bit tricky. I've moved my x's and my y's to the same side. The first thing we need to do is get my x's across here. I want it in the form y equals mx plus c, y equals something x plus something. So I'm going to move my minus 2, I'm going to move my 2x to the other side so it becomes minus 2x. So it has a gradient of minus 2. It crosses the y-axis here at 0, 1. So it has the equation y equals minus 2x plus 1. The tricky thing here is to make sure you've moved that to the other side first. Okay, and here are the formula. So again, if you've been doing these by now, you'll know the drill. I've kept some the same, I've changed a couple. See how you do. Answers to follow. And here are your answers. So area of a triangle, half base times height. Area of a trapezium, half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them. Area of a circle, pi r squared. Area is pi r squared. Pressure in terms of force, pressure is force over area, your PFA triangle. Quadratic formula, x is minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and the exact value of sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Okay, hopefully you found this one useful. Like I say, we're going to keep doing these whilst everyone on lockdown. Hopefully you're staying safe and looking after yourself and each other. And at some point in the future, we'll see you soon. Bye.